Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the solution for Snapchat darker mode not showing. So if you want to use the powerful new Snapchat darker mode to create cinematic multi-clip videos with voiceover and green screen effects, but this icon is missing on your Snapchat, you are not alone. But here I'm going to show you how you can fix so that a darker mode will be appear on your Snapchat. So the first one that you need to do is pretty simple. You need to do the update check. So you need to make sure that your Snapchat app is on the absolute latest versions. So you can just open Play Store or App Store to check it. Click on a search and search for Snapchat in here. And see if there's any update available. So if you see updates in here, then you need to update the app as soon as possible. And the next one is the device compatibility. So you need to verify that your phone model meets the minimum requirements for the feature because the older devices may not support it. And the next fix, you can try the cache cleans. So clearing the Snapchat app cache, you can refresh the UI and the features. So what you need to do is just go to the settings on your phone and find the app settings. Click on apps and find Snapchat from the list. Okay, this one, Snapchat, you can click on it and go to the storage and cache. Now if you see there's cache here, you need to click on clear cache. So this will restart or refresh the applications. And the last one, the feature rollouts. You need to understand why Snapchat features roll out slowly and what you can do while you wait. So you need to just wait. Maybe the darker mode hasn't arrived on your region, so you can just wait until the features arrive. So that's pretty much all. I hope the simple tips and tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. And don't forget to update your Snapchat application so you don't miss the darker mode. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.